you're not already, you should definitely be growing this superfood in your garden. And here's why. This food is chock full of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. The root system grows super wide and deep to collect all those nutrients and minerals and bring them up to the surface. And you guys can be eating this stuff before anything else is growing in your garden. So I first got interested in this superfood from a guy named Paul Gauci, and a lot of you have probably heard of him. He's big on the back to Eden method of gardening, which I think it kind of originated with him. But anyway, he talks about how this one superfood gets its roots super deep and super wide and collects all those minerals. And the biggest thing is, like I said, it is one of the first crops to be ready to eat. So after you've gone through a long winter without any produce or greens and all those extra vitamins and minerals, it's coming up to replenish you as you're going into the summer. Let's go out here and take a look at what it is. So out here in my orchard, I've got a little area way back in the back over there, tucked away. There it is, behind a stump. Like I said, overgrown area, completely insignificant. But if we walk around here, check this out, guys. You really don't need anything special. You don't need a special garden. You don't need nothing. Do you see it already? Look at that. Asparagus. Beautiful. Look how huge this asparagus is, man. I love how these things look, and I love how they taste even more. Look, we got a bunch more coming up over here. Look at this. We got one right here, little skinny guy. Bunch of big, thick stalks all through here. Look at all that asparagus, guys. And I'm telling you, the roots on these things are enormous, and they spread forever, and they go really deep, and then support just these tiny little growths here. Well, they're big, thick growths, but all those minerals are getting pumped into these things, and these guys are prime and ready to pick right now and eat. Let me see if I can break off a stalk, and we'll head back into the hoop house there. So you just want to grab it and bend it, and just wherever it breaks is where it's ready to be harvested. Look at that. Yeah, I've got some areas of my property that are overgrown. I can't keep all of it perfectly managed, but that's the cool thing about this asparagus is you can grow this stuff anywhere. You can plant it in an overgrown brush area and it will come up year after year, and you just walk out there, you pick the stuff and eat it early on after you've gone through the whole winter and just load your body up with all kinds of nutrients. I love this stuff. Look at that. I got water dripping off of that thing. Anyway, I love this stuff, man. I love it cooked. I love it raw. It doesn't even matter. It's just an awesome, awesome plant. This stuff is sweet, man. This is so much better than you get at a grocery store. It's good stuff. Sweet and juicy. Look at that, I got water flying off of this stuff. Anyway, I'm probably going to pick more of this. I'm going to take it inside. My wife can throw it in the oven. I'll probably eat some more of it just like this. Even that woodier stem, it's just soft and juicy, crunchy, just all of it. I love this stuff, man. This time of year, when nothing else in your garden is growing, and there's not really much fresh produce available around your place, this stuff's coming up. Anyway, I just thought I'd share this with you. I love this stuff. I hope you guys go out and get some. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering what variety this is the Mary Washington variety. I got it several years ago, planted it, and it's just grown beautifully ever since then. I never have to do anything to this stuff, but hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to follow along. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you guys on the next asparagus video. Adios.